Hello, my friends. This is the video that I made on SOFI on November the 6th, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $30.07. And at this point, my main assumption was that SOFI was forming the some kind of descending triangle that usually breaks to the downside. And we have to break this formation. And in order to remain bullish, in order to remain, at least partially bullish, this asset shouldn't break this bottom at $25.44 mark. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset had an attempt, wait a second, I will adjust this tool a little bit, had an attempt to break this line, this sloping line as the resistance to the upside, but it failed and went back with a sustained breakout below this bottom. You can see it right here, and it went to the level that didn't break the $25.55 mark, and then it went up to the upside. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to receive the real calls to action and my personal trends, you can use my risk-free 100% money-back guarantee offer and just subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my safe haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and on today's video, guys, I will show you crucial levels of SOFI stock that should be broken or shouldn't be broken in different cases, in bull case and bear case, and I will show you several very important catalysts for SOFI stock for the upcoming, I would say, weeks and months. So, and let's begin with the general sentiment related to SOFI stock. If you type in Google search bar SOFI stock and switch to News tab folder, you will see several recent news, and I have to admit that some of this news, raises a question about the valuation of SOFI, because for the last, let's zoom out to monthly time frame, for the last several months, basically for the last even couple of years, this asset went up from $4.5 all the way up to $32.69, and it gained about 628% to its value. Definitely, some people think that it has to come to its end, but according to Elliott wave theory and from the technical standpoint, it is not the end yet. And in a minute, I will show you what I'm talking about. But first of all, let me show you several very bullish catalysts. First of all, let me show you this tweet that was written by Tanner Manson. He wrote, "Looks like SOFI CFO Chris LaPointe is taking out a loan of more than $11 million upfront payment today and pledging up to $500 500,000 shares of SOFI if the stock is at or below 25.38 by November the 12th of 2027. If the stock is at or above 50.58 by November 2027, Chris Lapointe will only need to sell 249,901 shares to settle up his contract with the reported lender. This is technically selling shares, but the most bullish way possible. Chris isn't ready to sell at today's prices. The bank that is doing this agrees with Chris that SOFI stock will continue to rise between now and November the 12th of 2027. SOFI stock can only fall roughly 21.5% to protect Chris. Or if Chris is right, the bank has kept the upside of SOFI stock's price for the loan at plus 57% to protect the lender. And he added these two screenshots of this agreement, and I have to admit that you can see that Christopher Lapointe also sold some of, he basically received stock-based compensation and sold some of these shares for tax purposes. Anthony Noto did exactly the same, as you can see right here, and he still holds a tremendous number of more than 11.347 million shares of SOFI. And let me remind you that he bought these shares for his own money when the price of SOFI was below $6 mark, and he didn't sell any of his shares. Let me show you some green rows right here. You can see that he bought these shares in 2023 with the price of $5, $6, again $6, 7.4, 10.1, and he was consistently buying these shares and he didn't sell any of them. It is a very bullish sign, and the most recent bullish sign is Christopher Lapointe, the second most important person in the C-level executives, basically in the board of directors of SOFI. Also, he's also extremely bullish on SOFI. On top of that, let me show you this. Tom Lee's Granny Shots ETF finally buys SOFI stock, $98 million purchase. Very happy to see the most popular name in finance also having an opinion and financial stake in SOFI going forward. Great for both the stock and the company. Definitely not going to hurt brand awareness. And guys, let me explain you that when some ETF buys SOFI stock and it acquires it in order to rebalance its portfolio, it is very important to see that and it is very important to understand that this stock is set to worth much more than its current price. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's turn on all the tools and let me show you where we are on the price chart. Let's zoom out to, let's say, 4 hours time frame, and let me explain you that we've completed 5 waves of the third wave on a bigger scale, and this is nothing else but the retracement. And we don't have a clear ABC structure with the bottom of the C wave that is formed, that was landed below the bottom of the A wave. We have this sideways movement, and I told you in one of my previous videos that we have 2 options. One option is that we might have a classical ABC correction, and the second option, we might have some kind of sideways movement for quite a while, and when we see a sustained breakout above crucial levels or below crucial levels, in this case we can identify its medium-term trend. And for now, guys, with this movement to the downside that has again a shape of 3-wave structure, we cannot identify any type of trends, because in general this might be just part of the ABC on a bigger scale. Let me mark it like this. Potentially this might be A wave, B wave and C wave, or it might be the bottom of the A wave, and we might have from this point another ABC to the upside right here. And that is why, guys, these type of ABCs are not the most the easiest patterns, but we have clear levels of support and resistances. First of all, guys, we have crucial level of about $25 mark. that shouldn't be broken in order to remain bullish. On top of that, let me turn off these tools. You can see that we have some kind of sloping line that holds these bottoms, except this one. We had a false breakout on November the 7th. And this line should hold as well in order to remain bullish. And definitely, to confirm its uptrend, and to confirm its price target that I marked in my previous video, you can watch it and the link to this video you can find in the description below. This price target is still on the table as long as this bottom holds. And that is why, guys, wait for much clearer structure, wait for more confirmation from the price action. It is very difficult to assume where this asset might go, but in the short-term perspective, this asset is very interesting to trade. And if you want to have the call to trade this asset, you can join my Patreon as well. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing